Hey everyone, welcome back to Simply Spectacular Sonam. Today I'm making the perfect date night dinner. Juicy New Zealand lollipop lamb chops, crispy smashed potatoes, stir-fried green beans with red pepper, and a light flavorful spaghetti. Pair this with a glass of wine and you're set for a cozy romantic evening. If you want to see how I put this delicious meal together, keep watching. Let's start with the star of the show, these beautiful New Zealand lollipop lamb chops. First, I rinse the lamb with warm water and pat them completely dry. This helps to get a perfect sear. I season both sides with salt, black pepper, Italian seasoning, onion powder, thyme, and ground ginger. On one side, I add chili powder and fresh chopped rosemary. Rosemary and lamb, a match made in heaven. Now in a bowl, I mix olive oil, minced garlic, lemon juice, and Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is the secret ingredient because it keeps the meat super tender. Toss the lamb in the marinade, coat them well, cover, and refrigerate. 2 hours is great, overnight is even better. While that's marinating, let's prep our sides. For the crispy smashed potatoes, boil baby golden potatoes in salted water until fork tender. Prepare a mixture of melted butter, parsley, and olive oil. Let the potatoes cool and then smash them onto a baking sheet. You can go thick for creamy insides or smash them thin for extra crispiness. Season with salt, black pepper, and chili powder. Then drizzle your butter, olive oil, and fresh parsley. Bake at 390 degrees for 45 minutes until golden and crispy. Now back to our beautifully marinated lamb. Heat olive oil in a pan and sear the chops 4 minutes per side. This gives a perfect medium cook, juicy and tender inside. If you like it pinker, go for 3 minutes per side. Halfway through, baste with butter and rosemary for that extra flavor. When done, let them rest 5 minutes before serving. Oh, and if you see any red liquid oozing from the bones, don't worry, it's not blood, just natural meat juices. The lamb was melt in your mouth tender on the inside. Just look at that, my mouth was watering. Let's make the perfect sauce to drizzle over these chops. In the same pan, sauté chopped shallots with a stalk of rosemary. Add balsamic vinegar and chicken broth and then let it reduce. Stir in chili oil, chili powder, honey, and fresh mint. This creates a rich, tangy, slightly spicy sauce that complements the lamb perfectly. Now for an easy, flavorful veggie side. Start by seasoning your green beans with salt, black pepper, and onion powder. Sauté them in olive oil and butter until they're tender. Slice a red bell pepper, season it with salt, black pepper, and add it into the pan. Finish with balsamic vinegar and chili oil. Then sauté until everything is tender and vibrant. Last but not least, cook your spaghetti of choice in salted boiling water. While that's cooking, roast grape tomatoes in olive oil until they start to char. Smash them down, then add garlic, dried dill, Italian seasoning, and a splash of almond milk. Toss in the drained pasta, mix everything together, and finish with a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. And there you have it. This meal is simply spectacular. Juicy lamb chops, crispy smashed potatoes, vibrant green beans, and light spaghetti. Skip the restaurant, unwind with your favorite music, and impress your date with a meal you'll both love. If you enjoyed, please like, follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and subscribe on YouTube. Thanks for watching and see you next time.